In this video, I'm going to show how to lock your Facebook profile if the feature is not available in your country. Now, if you want to go completely private, but the feature is not available, then don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show how to maneuver that and be able to lock that profile of yours. So I'll be walking you through different settings, so make sure to follow each and every step shown in this video. And find this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more new uploads. So without further ado, let's begin. Now you need to open your Facebook application and log into your Facebook account. And after login, tap on those three lines at the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now scroll down. Now here under Audience and Visibility, select Followers and Public Content. So guys, need to change everything from public to friends. So who can follow me? Change to friends. Who can see your followers on your timeline? Change to friends. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow? Change it to friends. Who can comment on your post? Change it to friends of friends. Public post notifications. Friends of friends. Public profile info. Friends. Now after doing that, now go back. Now here under Tools and Resources, tap on Privacy Checkup. Click on that. So tap on the first option, who can see what you share. Then tap on Continue. I need to change from public to only me or friends. So your email address to only me. Your birthday, change it to only me. Your hometown, you can leave it to public. Your current city, you can leave it to public. Friends and following, change it to public to only me. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow? Change it to only me. Then tap on the next button. Default audience, change it to only me. Stories, you can leave it like that. Then tap on the next button. And then tap on the next button. Now select the third option, how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on that option. Then tap on Continue. Here guys, you need to change to friends or friends, or only me or friends. So who can send you friend requests? Change it from everyone to friends or friends. And then tap on the next button. So people with your phone number, you can change it to no one. And then tap on the next button. And then tap on the next button. Now you're all set. Now go back to your Facebook homepage and then you refresh it. Now tap on those three lines once more at the right. Now select your profile. Then tap on those three dots. Now select View As. So this is how people will be able to view your Facebook profile. As you can see, it's locked. So guys, with those settings, you'll be able to lock your Facebook profile. So that's for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more new videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.